Okay, if you're in a relationship.
I am.
All right, husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever it may be.
Okay.
There are some things that you do that kind of annoy them.
Oh.
They may not tell you that.
Really?
But there's 5 habits that annoy your spouse or friend, whatever,
Significant other.
the most.
Okay, what
according
are they?
to science.
I need to know so I can
All right,
stop immediately.
Number 1, the way you chew.
The way I chew.
Yes. You
No.
ever watch yourself eat in the mirror?
Yeah, I'm self-conscious of the way I chew.
'Kay.
And it's something that I'm always worried about. I will not eat chicken wings in front of my girlfriend because I'm afraid that I look like a barbarian.
Looking at your phone.
Oh.
It annoys them.
That's more of
When you're talking to him?
her problem.
You're having a good conversation, all of a sudden.
Yep.
Yep.
Especially because me and my girlfriend are long distance. So when we get to the point where we see each other, my phone goes away. I will not open my phone at all. But her, she'll lay in bed and be on her phone. And I'm like, what the? Oh, am I not good enough for you?
Telling her how cool Troy is.
Oh.
I am the man.
So this weekend.
Today, I went to work and I
did this
am the
great
team
stuff.
MVP. I am that good.
Everyone else
Bragging.
sucks and I'm the best.
Yeah. Spending money irresponsibly.
Oh.
That one drives me nuts.
Okay.
Because I'm cheap.
And then when it's a joint bank account, it's
Yeah.
all downhill from
It's
there.
like, wait. You spent money.
On what?
Christmas is the worst.
Oh, yeah.
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 And lastly, keeping score in the relationship.
Oh, yeah. So when you bring up something from like 2 months
Oh,
past.
wait. You want a back rub? Well, I do believe you had one on Saturday.
And I never received one.
Exactly. Don't keep score. More info on the 5 habits that you have, guys and girls, that annoy your spouse or girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever, the most right now. Facebook, yesfm.com, and Twitter.